In this video, we are going to unbox the SD-C7112, a waterproof LED emergency light with backup battery by Standard Fire Safety. The box comes with English and French language labels for your convenience. Upon opening the box, you can find a wall or ceiling installation kit. The installation instruction sheet, and finally, the injection molded thermoplastic ABS housing containing two 1.2 watts lamp heads and a 3.6 volts NiCad battery with up to 120 minutes of backup power. No assembly is required, and it comes with a 1-year manufacturer warranty. For more information about this product or any other of our products, please visit our website at standardfs.com.